This tapping session is designed to help calm your nervous system when anger feels intense in your body. You don't need to suppress the feeling, we're just helping your body settle. So tap along with me. Even though I feel this anger in my body, I allow myself to feel it safely. Even though this anger feels intense, I'm opening to calming my nervous system and slowing it down. Even though my body is activated right now, I'm allowing it to slow down, to release the excess energy, to let it go and settle. I can feel this activation. My body feels switched on. My system is reacting, trying to protect me. This angry feeling is here for a reason. But I don't need to stay here. I can begin to calm my body, even if part of me stays alert. I'm allowing my shoulders to soften. I'm allowing my breath to slow. I'm allowing my body to feel a little safer, even if it's just slightly safer. I don't need to force this. I'm just allowing a shift from tension towards calm. My nervous system can settle. My body can release this intensity. I don't need to stay in this state. I can feel and regulate, all at the same time. This is my body learning safety. Safety in this moment. Safety right now. Take a slow deep breath in and out. Notice any small shift in your body. You don't need to eliminate the feeling. Just creating space is enough. If you still feel angry, just keep tapping along until you start to feel the anger settle down. Follow for more science-backed tools.